But the only complaint we've ever got on select to catch is somebody will call and say, geez, the pig was going down the trail and he smelled it, or the coyote, or whatever. Uh, if the unit's dirty, they are going to smell it. If you've got it in the back of the pickup with a bunch of oil or blood or anything else and it contaminates it, they've got a really good nose on it. So a couple things you can do. If it's out in the mud and really bad, you can take it to a car wash. Also use a garden hose to clean your unit out. It's made out of a durable ABS material, also has a marine grade back cover, stainless steel components, galvanized inner springs. Make sure you clean well around the pan. Once the unit's clean, I like to transport them in a Tupperware container to keep them from getting contaminated in the back of the pickup. Once you clean everything out as best you can and give it a try, and if that doesn't work, you might have to take it back, which doesn't hurt to do once in a while either. And that's as simple as taking a drill, undoing the screws, and first you have to take these off and then your springs out, and then take your cover off. And remember, when you put it back in, if you are using a drill instead of a regular screwdriver, to set your clutch, like on this one it's 8 or 9, to where when that screws in there, gets to a point, then the clutch will keep it from over tightening and maybe stripping your screw hole out. Basically that's all there is to it. One thing I do like to do, especially after I catch something, is wipe it down, and you can take some sagebrush if you're trapping in the brush country and get all that on there. Cover it with the sagebrush, or if you're trapping in the mountains, you can take pine and do the same thing. And then when I'm not using them, I like to put them in a box with pine, with sagebrush, with something or whatever native vegetation that you've got where you're trapping, and keep them in there until you're ready to use it again. It's just a simple thing, but it's always those little things that make the difference.